What's up, my curly niestas? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig slay, baby. Yes. So I need y'all to get in these comments and let me know how your girl did. Was this a slay or a nay, baby? Because I think I did pretty well. If I do say so myself. But let's go ahead and get into this wig install, and I will see you in a bit. Hey everyone out there. Yes, honey, it is looking fabuloso. It comes in this beautiful pink bag, which I thought was super, super cute. The name of the company is Gabrielle. I actually got this wig on Amazon. It was $99. I thought the bag was super cute because, you know, it had the drawstring and it's all satiny and you can take it places, you know what I mean? Say you want to put your makeup in there, you can put your makeup in there, but you know you're going to put that wig in there and take it with you. So yes, the wig is 22 inches and I thought $99 was a good price for 22 inches. So I said, let me give it a go. So right here, I'm just showing you it came with gifts, which I thought was also amazing. Has the headband. So if you guys don't want to gel or glue your wig down, it's sort of like a wig grip. It also came with, a little card, a welcome card and stuff like that. And look at this. It even comes with an elastic band so you can lay those edges. So I was excited. As you can see, I'm super excited about the little toothbrush. That's what I call it, because that's what it is. A toothbrush with a comb on the other side. Let's keep it real. And they also gave you a wig cap. So as you can see right here, we do have like a 4x4 lace, and I'm really appreciative of that. And it's kind of transparent. It doesn't look it because it's so ash white, but it really is transparent. Wait till we get this thing on, honey. You've got the two combs on the side, which go into the side of your head, and you also have a comb in the back, along with the adjustable band that you saw. So yes, honey, look at this luscious hair, baby. Yes, I am here for it. Y'all, this hair is super duper soft, and we're about to get into it, honey. So yes, you just want to gel your hair down, and I'm just using Got To Be Ultra Glued, the black bottle. And we're just putting that in right now. You want to dry that up and stuff like that. And of course, you want to do your edges. So you're going to be leaving your edges out. And I thought that was good because it makes it blend in. Because this is a 4x4 closure wig, it is only covering that front part that you saw me show you in the beginning. And the rest is you, honey. So, you know, do them edges. So, yeah, we're just drying it up here. And the rest is history. So I'm going to let you guys sit back, relax, have a glass of wine on me, and go ahead and watch the rest of this video.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? About all these my side, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody.
Yeah. Energy, see, I ain't not ready for the wham. Energy's raw, I've never been glam. Energy sure like bars will land like a missile straight to the plan. Energy's more than everything, man. Energy's mad, don't mess with the ram. Certain things in life gotta overstand. That's disappointing, don't do this, man. With your energy, yeah, can't do this, man. Energy's here like a sizzling pan. 4 meetings already is urgent, fam. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. Energy, one. So the energy, one. But the energy, one. So the energy. 2 bars, flows too fast. 2 constellation and stars. 2 laughs, 2 hearts. Out of this world and straight off the Mars. Said 2 bars, flows too fast. 2 constellation and stars. 2 laughs, 2 hearts. Out of this world and straight off the Mars. When the energy's right, I follow the path. Gotta know yourself, there's no one to ask. No one to turn to, take off your mask. Don't worry, there's no test to pass. Just live, stop taking, just learn to give. Stop blaming them and learn to forgive. I'll carry on doing my thing. Till we turn into a...
Alright guys, so what do you think? Did I slay this wig that I got from Amazon? I think so, darling. I like it. I straightened it to see how it was straightened. It straightens good. Still got a little wave on this side, but I can fix that. I ain't gonna fix that right now, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys this. I absolutely love it. Took a little time to get that part straight. And then, you know, the hair can be parted all over. So all over right in here where the mesh cap was at. So yeah, you know, make your part wherever you want, and then you add your little, I use bronzer, guys. I used bronzer because it matched perfectly. I think it matches perfectly. And I obviously use bronzer, of course, and so on my hair. So I'm loving this. Let me get up so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see this. Hold on. I bet y'all thought I was naked, huh? Y'all thought I ain't had no clothes on. All right, hold on, let me pull my pants up. Oh gosh. So yes, it's 22 inches. What are you thinking? I think it looks good. Let me put y'all up so y'all can see. Yes, so this is how it looks straight. And you know the ends is a little so I'm gonna have to dust the ends, but other than that, the hair is gorgeous. And for that price, you can't beat that. So, until next time. Ooh, look at that part. Girl, get it. Until next time, guys. Bye.